Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Sermos here. The warm weather is sticking around. In fact, the 90s are sticking around. We felt them for the first time this year just yesterday as we tied a record high temperature. And today, likely another very warm day. Sunny and dry conditions will linger through the week too. And records are even in jeopardy, especially by the weekend. Now today, it looks like we'll see a repeat of yesterday's high, topping out at 92 degrees. That'll put us 16 degrees above the average for this time of year. But the record is 95, so we should stay below that today, although a very warm day on tap regardless. And it's because of this. High pressure is in control as that ridge sits over our state. It's keeping our forecast dry, and it is what's heating those temperatures up. Now, we will see a weak disturbance work its way across Wednesday. That'll drop temperatures a degree or two by the middle of the week, but it's not going to bring us any rain chances. And you'll notice nothing but clear conditions through today. Tomorrow, just a few passing high clouds, otherwise mostly sunny and dry to finish out the week. In fact, it's looking like we're going to be dry into the weekend too, with another ridge of high pressure rebuilding back over the region. Temperatures in the meantime very warm, well above the average. Today 92, still below that record though of 95. Tomorrow the record is a little lower. It's 92. So as we head towards a high of 91, we will have to watch that temperature. There's a potential we could tie it again tomorrow, tie that record again tomorrow. By Thursday into Friday, notice how those records actually get higher. They're at 99 degrees. Our temperatures will make it into the 90s, but luckily nowhere near 99. So those records likely not in jeopardy by the end of the week. This weekend though, it'll be a different story. Saturday, the warmest day of the week and the warmest day of the year so far likely, as we top out at 95 degrees. That would top the record and set a new record. The current record on Saturday is 94 degrees, set back in 2007. And on Sunday, likely a record-breaking day too, with a high of 93 degrees. Then the record on Sunday is 92. It does look like we're going to beat that. Again, if you're heading out to PIR or outdoors doing any activities this weekend, make sure that you're using caution and staying hydrated. Temperatures today across the valley make it into the low 90s under those clear skies, well above the average for this time of year. As you look across the state with me, low to mid 90s from central to western Arizona and up to our north. We're talking highs in the 70s and 80s. Flagstaff even hitting 70 degrees today. Then tonight dropping below freezing up there for at least for a few hours before we start to warm back up. Down in the valley, our lows only near 61 degrees by tomorrow morning. So those mornings at least providing some relief, dropping into the upper 50s to low 60s, but those afternoons staying very warm. Low 90s through the end of the week, mid 90s Saturday, and then a little bit of relief coming. Looks like we'll drop into the upper 80s by next Monday.